Good morning. I thought I would try to upload a short video about the lab that we would do tomorrow about birds and worms and the importance of, number one, camouflage as an adaptation, and then natural selection, favoring whichever adaptation would provide the best camouflage, and also predator-prey relationships between birds and worms. So if we were meeting face to face tomorrow, which would be the 25th of March, we would go outside and we would be in front of the theater. I'm in front of Moe Science, but you get the idea. We would be working in an environment that's nice, green, and grassy, and we would be putting, if you can see these toothpicks of different colors. We would be scattering them inside of a plot of grass that's about 14 meters squared, and then one of your group members would be the bird, another would be a timer, and the third person would be the data recorder. So the toothpicks would be scattered in the grass. There. So maybe you can see that. Okay. For the first part of the lab, the bird would get 10 seconds to capture as many toothpicks as possible. Then the data would be recorded and the toothpicks would be placed back into the grassy area. This would occur 5 more times for a total of 10 feeding trials. Then we would move to part 2 of the lab, which would look at which population of worms would experience the most growth, which population would be favored by camouflage. And you might assume that the green worm would have a more favorable chance to survive just based on its appearance to the blades of grass. So part 2, we would look at population growth, and we would do so with 4 toothpicks of each color. You would go through and have 20 seconds for the hungry bird to feed. Each surviving toothpick would produce 2 offspring, and that total number would start the next generation. We would collect generation data for a total of 3 generations. So one of the handouts that I gave you on Canvas was the data that's been collected for the past 5 years, and it shows very obvious, I think, trends. So I thought I would put this little video up, and I'll post it to Canvas just to give you an idea as to the lab that we would actually do tomorrow. It appears like tomorrow is going to be rainy, so maybe we would not have gone out. But I just wanted to give you an idea of the bird and worm natural selection lab, because it is your lab report for this class, which is, I think, 3 to 4 or 5 pages. I've posted all the materials under that assignment lab report. So it is kind of a test grade, to be honest, in terms of the number of points. So I just wanted to put a video up to try to show you what we would have done if we were outside for our lab, and just to do something, you know, sitting inside talking to myself is not really all that much fun. So I hope y'all enjoy this video and at least see what we would have done if we had lab. So talk to you soon. Y'all take care. Bye.